Alright guys, how you doing? In this video I'm going to show you how to cut a fringe or bangs. So just wanted to do a little tutorial on a way that I would approach doing a longer style outgrown fringe, really soft but lived in. What we are looking to do here is work on hair that's already been dried, and this is a really good way because then you can actually accent the hair the way that you want to. So also for the comfort of your client while they're sitting in the chair, there's no surprises, so you can leave this a little bit longer to start with and then develop it as you see that the person is suiting it and it's working out how you want. So what we're doing here is we've taken a triangular section on the parting, and I'm working on one side by lifting the hair over my comb and point cutting using the tapering scissors to give it a real kind of lived in texture on the edges, and then each time I am elevating the section a little bit higher, and that stops the weight line building up. And then you can work at detailing it and see we've got this so that it just bends away from the face slightly. So comment in the sections below, would you call this a fringe or would you call it bangs? Let me know please. So what we would do is take a guideline from our first section and then we would extend that into the other side so we can work on our balance, and again keep point cutting using the texture and scissors and elevate it each time. So we start low and we just elevate it to work and complement the roundedness of the head shape, and then just spend a little bit of time working on this to create that edge that you want. I like on this type of length texture softness, so at this length we can move it around, make sure it works on one side, chuck it around so it always has to move, really important that the hair moves and the client can manage it. So spend the time taking any extra stray hairs off it, work your technique, and there you go, bring it all forward, soften that edge so it's got this like looseness to it and it doesn't just look freshly cut. Move it around, check it for suitability, taste and balance. It's all visual, so you've got to make sure that you like it and it's working, complementing cheekbones, jawline, stuff like that. And then you can use some tongs. I would use the tongs a little bit like a straightener just to put bend and texture in the hair. And if you've seen my videos before, you will know that I like hair to be a little bit looser, a bit rougher, and working on sort of texture. Alright, hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.